The college continues to work on a reopening plan
and is doing everything it can to create a safe environment for all its participants.
That means students, faculty, staff, and the greater Clinton community.
While Hamilton does all that it can,
ultimately, it's the responsibility of each individual,
us, to maintain the safety and security of our community.
This means stay on campus.
Unless it is absolutely critical,
stay on the Hill.
Take a walk in the Glen, grab a coffee from Opus, bake some cookies for your favorite professor, chocolate chip.
We can't risk bringing the virus in from somewhere else.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands constantly.
And keep hand sanitizer with you at all times.
Interact only with your family unit,
cohort,
and your extended family the right way.
Stay 6 feet apart.
Please stay 6 feet apart. This will be a challenge. We are pretty social people.
And finally, always
wear a mask.
These things work.
in class, in residence halls,
In the studio or lab.
wherever you are.
Wear a mask.
There are doubters out there.
People that say that we're going to be sent home in a couple weeks.
Let's prove them wrong.
All of these tasks are not natural, and it's going to be hard.
But we have to commit to it
We must be vigilant with these practices
to keep everyone safe.